Okay guys, I'm going to show you real quick how to create a lead in the partner portal and then how to turn that lead into an opportunity and then design. So we're going to go through this really quick. You click on leads, new lead, and we're going to input their basic information, first and last name. Here you can't actually enter the address directly here, you have to go to search, and then you're going to input the address there. It's going to populate right here. If it doesn't populate, then it means that it doesn't see the address, or the address is wrong. So here it's dropped a pin on the map, it's found the house. If you want to zoom in here just to make sure it's on the right house, you can do that. It's on the right address, so I'm going to select address, put in the customer's phone number and email. Then we're going to go down and put in usage. If you know the customer's total usage throughout the year, you can average it out by month and just copy and paste that like so. Or you can put in the exact usage by month. Then you're going to put in the sales rep's name, which is going to be you. And that's it. So then we save here. And now it's converting this. So it's reviewing the information. Yep, that's correct. We're going to convert. We can choose here or here. And it's going to convert this lead into an opportunity. Once it's an opportunity, then we can do design. So here we have it. It's now showing up as an opportunity. So let's start design. We're going to go to Navigate BrightPath, New Project, Go. This is going to be a Sunrun lease in Arizona. So it already has the house pulled up for me. We're going to just design on this roof plane. So we have to first outline the roof plane where we want the solar panels. We want to make sure that the azimuth is in the correct direction, which it is. To get the best EPC possible, you want to choose a 512 roof plane. If there's any roof obstructions, you go ahead and choose this blue box. If it's an obstruction that is, so you just click on the screen, drag, and then click again. We've got a few of these here. And these are small little vents. They're just saying we can't put solar panels on top of these. Now let's say you had an AC unit or a chimney on the roof that's going to stand up 3 to 4 feet. You would choose this tool right here, and it's going to broadcast a shade analysis for a structure that's that tall. But that's actually not there, so we're going to delete that. Okay, now we're going to choose settings. In this case, we want to go for 110% offset. Here's the roof setbacks. We're going to leave those the same. Turn off all the modules. We want to hand pick REC 290. And turn off all these. We want to do Solar Edge. And you don't need to do a drop down here and hand pick. The computer will do that for you. Okay, generate design. So it's giving me 106% offset on both. We'll go select all. Let's look at these two design options. Option 1, option 2. Option 2 is ugly. Going for option 1. Approve. Okay guys, it's taking us to the pricing portal, and we got to turn off a few of these filters. We're not doing a prepaid, and it only leaves us with the lease. In case you're in a market where you can do a loan or an escalator, you would turn off loan, escalator, cash, escalator. We're doing a monthly on a lease with a flat rate. The upfront is 0, and we want to see what the EPC is for this so we know what we're getting paid. So we hit the plus button, and here's our EPC options. So it's going to show us every option within this range. So EPC price is $290 at 13 cents. I'm going to choose this. Approve. Okay, so it's showing me some basic info here. This is a 13-cent. Monthly payment's 152, and escalator is 0. Total upfront 0. Let's go generate proposal. Also, it's showing us it's got 26 solar panels, 1 SolarEdge inverter. It's a system size of 7.54, and its production is 14,049 kilowatt hours a year. 106% offset. Okay, now the design is done, so where we find that is we scroll down to proposals, and here it is. We'll select this proposal. We're now leaving the opportunity page and going to the proposal page. So let's go find those documents that we just generated. And here's the general documents, the Sunrun generated documents. Here's the agreement. This is what I show the customer. 0 down, 20 years, 152 a month, 13 cents. Here's all the guarantees. Here's the stats about the system. 26 panels, 1 inverter. Estimated yearly production, 107% offset, 7.54. Okay, let's close that. We want to go just into the design. Their annual usage is 13,200. Our production is higher than that. We're 106% of this number. Okay, so once we've presented, the customer likes it. We're going to go down to working documents, actions, initiate e-signature, go. This is very important. We're going to go document type as customer agreement, and do not email when you're in person. Always present in person so they can sign on your device in person. It makes it much easier. Initial e-signature. Check that, start. Click here to get going, continue, start. Click the initial, select style. This will actually do the customer's name for them. Then you click through these. This one's tricky. You just click that and then hit next. It tries not to go, but you just keep clicking it and it goes. Obviously, This is the customer signing here. And once this is completed, it is now your turn as the sales rep to sign. Okay, finished. Time for the sales rep. Just saying that you've been honest with the customer. Select style. Finished. Alright, so we just signed an agreement in the partner portal. And once you know everything is done correctly, this exclamation should turn into a green check mark. So we're going to try that again. We're just going to refresh this page. One more time. And it's a green check mark, which means everything's good to go. Here's how you run credit really fast. You want to go back to the previous page, so don't go to opportunities. Click here under opportunity name. Click the address. It's going to take us back to the first page, the opportunity page. We want to run credit up here at the top, request credit check. Here's their name, email credit check. Not email, actually, we're going to do in-person credit check. Yeah, I think this is just fake. It's not going to work. Also notice that when you create the opportunity, the partner portal pulls data and will tell you actually who the homeowner is, whose name is showing up on the deed itself. So you actually don't have to look that up. Alright guys, that's the basics of how to use the partner portal, creating a lead and a design.